In this video, I will show you how to invite someone to group in Roblox. So let's jump straight into it. So this does work for any group, whether that's just a random group or maybe a group you've created. Now, in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to roblox.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you want to come across this menu on the left-hand side, locate groups, and just click onto groups. So what that's going to do is take you across to the groups page, and you can see my current groups here. So I've actually got a group I've created. Now, if you want to go ahead and invite someone to this group, I'm actually going to use my group. What you're going to want to do is click onto the group from your groups list on the left hand side. Then what you need to do is come up to the top to the address bar, click onto this to highlight it, then right click and then come down and click onto copy. Once you've done that, you want to come down to the bottom right hand corner and open up your chat. Then you can choose someone that you want to invite to the group. So I'm just going to choose this person. So I'm going to click onto their name. Then all you want to do is right click onto the send message box and go ahead and click onto paste. What it's going to do is actually send a link to the group. So what you can do is send this across to this person. Once they go ahead and click onto that link, they'll be taken to the group with the option to actually go ahead and join the group. So that is how to invite someone to group in Roblox. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.